Okay guys, it's Jack Williamson 54 here, and in today's video we will be unboxing 3 packages. And before I start the unboxing, I am on a Skype call with
Black Lightning 4547.
Yep, and he's going to be joining me today. So we're going to start off with going from the left to the right. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I have my address covered up. Alright, we got it open. Let's go ahead and remove the newspaper. Ooh, I see devices. So let's go ahead and start by pulling out one of them. First of all, we have a Wheelock RSS 24 MCW FW. We have another Wheelock RSS 24 MCW. And then lastly, we have a Wheelock AS 24 MCW FW. So, first 3 devices, I'm going to leave them in the backdrop for y'all to see. Then we're going to open up, if I recall, it went the small box. If not, it's alright. But here's my first 3 devices I got. Let's go ahead and start with the smaller box, which hopefully I got it in the frame. Let's get started. Come on. This box is giving me trouble too. It has to, doesn't it? Almost got it open. Alright. We got more newspaper, I already can tell. This is a very, very rare device. This is a FOS rebranded Faraday 6110 120 volt AC horn. Let me see if I can focus in on that label for y'all. So here is the label, and this thing is amazing how clean it came. Here's the back box it came with. And in a minute I will remove it from the back box. So let's go ahead and focus it in. And move to my last little device. This is not really special, but it's still kind of a cool device. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This is a Simplex 2098-9806 key station. I'm going to pop the top on the box. And here it is. Here's the back of it with the and here's the front of it. So now let me go ahead and get a bit shot of the 5 devices I got today in the mail. Hopefully you guys can see it all. So these are the 5 devices I got. Devin, you have anything to say? Do you have any? Let me turn the volume up so they can hear you a little better. Do you have anything to say about the stuff I got?
Oh yeah, bro, it's actually pretty cool, bro. You got that AC, FOS horn down.
It's I heard it sounds like a 4050. Let's see if it's true.
Oh yeah.
Let's go ahead and see if that's true in the next video. But the next
is my video too loud?
No, your video is good. But I hope you all enjoyed. Go subscribe to Devin's channel, and I hope you all enjoyed. And thanks for watching.